How does reflection create symmetry in architecture? Imagine standing in front of a building and seeing one side perfectly mirrored on the other. That's the magic of reflection creating symmetry in architecture. Reflection in geometry is when a shape flips over a line called the axis of reflection, producing a mirror image. Architects use this idea to design buildings that look balanced and pleasing to the eye. When they draw a line down the middle of a structure, every feature on one side has an exact copy on the other side, just flipped over that line. This creates what we call bilateral or reflectional symmetry. For example, picture a tall building with windows arranged evenly on both sides of a central line. The windows on the left mirror those on the right, making the building feel stable and harmonious. This line can be vertical, dividing the building into left and right halves, or horizontal, splitting it into top and bottom parts. Sometimes, buildings combine both types of symmetry or even use multiple axes to create complex patterns. Think of the Lotus Temple with its 9 petal-like structures arranged in a circle. The repeated petals are arranged with reflection and rotation, giving it a balanced, flower-like appearance. Reflection is not just about the overall shape. It also applies to smaller details like windows, doors, and decorative patterns. When these elements are mirrored across an axis, they reinforce the sense of order and beauty. Using symmetry with reflection helps architects make buildings look organized and inviting. It also simplifies the design process because they only need to create one side and then mirror it to complete the other. This saves time and effort while ensuring everything lines up perfectly. In practical terms, reflection symmetry makes buildings feel stable and calm. It can guide the viewers toward important features like entrances or towers, making the design more attractive. Water reflections also play a role in architecture. For instance, the Taj Mahal's reflecting pool doubles the symmetry by mirroring the monument itself, adding to its visual appeal. Overall, reflection transforms simple shapes into harmonious structures by flipping and mirroring parts across an axis, creating a balanced and pleasing look that we often see in beautiful architecture around the world.